Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. On this episode, we're going to put a rear wing on the Pulsar, and I've went and done something stupid and bought a Nitrous kit. Alright, so I'll catch you guys up. If you didn't see the last video, you may have seen that I broke my collarbone. So it sort of delayed the process of, what I wanted to do. And I did have the Falcon over there entered in powecruise, but it's only a month and a half away. And I wanted to get it spray painted. There's so many more things I wanted to do to it, but with only pretty much one arm to use, I'm sort of limited. So I went and bought the NOS Nitrous kit, wet system, because we're going to take the Pulsar to powecruise. You see, we've been working on this all year. We've got coilovers, exhaust, intake, and big wheels and all that sort of stuff. And I wanted to hit the track anyway, but this was supposed to go in an event in a couple of weeks, but I can't drive it in the medical way I am at the moment. So I figure if the Falcon's not going to be the way it's supposed to be, we'll take the Pulsar. We'll strap some nitrous to it and just send it. So in preparation for that, I wanted to, spice up the Pulsar a bit more. Bought a OEM rear wing. We got some colour match paint, some clear, and we'll chuck that on the back. And in my limited capacity, I've been trying to polish some of the scratches out of the car. Blacked out the mirrors because they had some paint fade going on, and blacked out the exhaust pipe to match the wheels and stuff. So yeah, some people might find it a bit funny that you're going to run this thing actually at a powecruise. Might even be the only front wheel drive. Probably would be among the slowest cars, but in America some guys have been strapping NOS to these and running in the 14s down the quarter mile, which isn't that much slower than that. So I think it'll be hilarious. It'll be a good time anyway. Probably get some funny looks, but I'm all about that. And yeah, so we'll get amongst it and we'll get started on this wing. And there we are, here's the finished product. Pretty happy with that for a little cheap job. And yeah, we've already drilled the holes in the appropriate places in the back. So we'll give this overnight to dry out and we'll get it on there.
One pair of pants later.
Fit it up the next day. Just got to finish up by doing the mounts onto there by stick flexing them up and letting it sit overnight. But apart from that, it's looking good. It's a little bit darker than the paint, obviously, because this has had a bit of paint fade over the years, but definitely gives the back end a bit more of a, well, better look, I guess. Not aggressive, but yeah. So that's done. And as far as the Nitrous kit's concerned, we'll get that done soon. We'll still be doing stuff on the Falcon as well. I've also got another bottle coming, so for powecruise we're looking pretty good. We're going to have the Pulsar, the Brothers XR8, Jimbo Skyline, and a few extra cars, and probably my mate's turbo converted BA Falcon, much like mine. So yeah, that's going to be good to look forward to. Until then, see you later!